Hello, I'm CallSign Dashi, and this week's video is another two-parter. I'm playing a game called Against the Clock. At least that's what I think it's called, or fallback game, or something similar. Anyway, in this game, the map is split into 4 sectors, and defenders have 1 life in each sector. The attackers, they have unlimited lives. So the goal in this is for the attackers to clear out all the defenders in Sector 1, then Sector 2, 3, and 4, and so on, and to get the quickest time. Next week, we turn it around, and we'll see the other side of it. So this week, my team is on defense, and our goal here is to try and hold them off as long as possible, trying to run them down the clock. Let's see how we get on. And as always, if you do like this video, leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any feedback, leave it down in the comments below, or reach out in one of my socials.
Good shot.
So that was sector 1. I was actually the last man alive there. I hadn't actually realised situational awareness and all that. Probably should have known. As you can see, there's an enemy team actually coming from behind me. They would have got me eventually, but I held them off as long as I could.
Yep, that's me. How's that? You've got that angle, haven't you? You've got that angle, don't you, that door?
In this sector, I'm actually right up against one of their entrance points. They only have 2 points of entry into the fort, so I've up close and personal as much as we can get.
Marshall coming in. Marshall. Marshall in. Marshall in.
Oh!
That grenade landed right beside me and really hurt my ear. I didn't have any ear defenders on at this point.
Dead man. Yep.
This sector's going to have a lot of suppressing fire moments, just in the nature of trying to keep them coming down that right hand flank. Not the most skillful reload. You can hear the pellets clinking off the wood there around me. They clearly know where I am and trying to pin me down, so just keep trying to suppress them. Some of these pellets get really, really close. Another skillful reload. And finally the people I was suppressing down by the towers finally get me out. This fourth sector actually takes a bit of time to get into any action. They're mostly coming from the far left hand side while I'm keeping down this right. So it takes a bit of time to get into it, so I've sped it all up here.
Hit. Yeah, man.
That's me finally dead in the fourth sector. And I know this was a slightly slower video, but this is the nature of defensive games like this. I chose to post it regardless because this is often what Airsoft can be like. It isn't all action all the time. I've seen myself and a small fire team hold down an objective with little action for 30 to 40 minutes during bigger games like that Operation Pew Pew back in August. Anyway, I can confirm from my recording that team managed to clear all 4 sectors in 21 minutes and 36 seconds. So next week we'll come back and we'll see if we can do it any better. Thanks for watching. Until next time.